Karang Dajit United Football Club kabade artar ka club yalek kai na kani ke jela. Kabalara ya kanam kum kaladu jong kalempung yalek kai ka Meghalaya State League. Ka Meghalaya Football Association kan lej bakan Aireng sya kalempung yalek kai jong ka Third Division I League jong ka AIFF. Habaya day bat kani hakan driu tarik risau kaladon gajinya kendu jong kilat pathai khubor hakabaya day bat kani karai lej shimbenta sya kani kalempung. Lapen tip da presiden jong ka club uba Eugene Lingdo harengkat gajinya don lang ka jong coach uba Ibor lang khongji nakaliang ka jong uba Eugene upen tip baka jingla ban lej shimbenta jong karang dajit sya kani kalempung kalawan hadin baka club kalayo ya ka jing kershan pisa ka balawan leng baka Meghalaya Tourism ka Sorka jela. Hakaba uba Eugene umla ban klem da penpau ya ka songo ya menteri rang ba kajela konrad ke sangma ubala kloy ban shimkhia ban ajing arab ya ka club ban lej ban ya shimbenta sya kan ke lempung sakiwe kiwe ki jing arab ki bakarang Dajit United FC kalayo kalong ba ya ki jersey ki baki player kin phong habak ya khun hakan ke lempung de ka puma nalor kata uba Eugene Lingdo open pau baka daw ka ba penlong ya ka club bakan krek ban Aireng ha ka Third Division I League ka All India Football Federation kawan hadian bakum ka club kalayo bakan ra ya ka nam ladu jong ka Meghalaya State League ka long menta ka snem ha ka jing shisha ha ka basdang ka club ka bu ya ka thong bahapo san snem kan treshtom ban penbit penbiang ya la ka kanhun Hashua bakan krek biang ban lej ban ya shimbenta ha ki lempung ya la kai football jong ki club hakari kum ka I League habakren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Eugene upen pau bahadin bakarang dajit ka ra menta ka snem ya ka MSL mau bat coach ki sngo baka jingra ya ka nam ladu ha ka MSL ka kren bat penpau sha ya ka jinglen ladi bat treshtom jong baro ki player ha ka baka bainong ka babhatam ban yo ban siu kliang yaki kalong ban shim ya karai ban sei madan ya ka kanhun ban Aireng sya kan ka lempung ka jing yo lat karang Dajit United FC ban ya khun ha kan ka lempung kalong baka kendon jong ka AIFF ka kren syai kadar baki club ban yo ban ra ya ki nam ladu ha ki lempung ya la kai football ha ki jela ki jongki kin yo ya kalat bakin Aireng ha kan ka lempung badan arp saut liki kanhun ne club hakari
Firstly, I think this day would have been possible if it wasn't for the sheer determination of our players, our coaching staff, and our management in us achieving this goal. A year back, when we took charge of the club, I think our vision was to obviously go back into the national scene, probably in 5 years' time. But I think we felt, in the past 1 year, things took a drastic turn. I think I felt the way we ran the club, the way our coaching staff took care of our players, I think it is a testament of our achievements. So in the past year, we were runners-up in the Shillong Premier League. We were third in the Reliance Under-21 League. But most importantly, we were champions of the Meghalaya State League, which I think was the pinnacle of our success the past year, sorry. And like we said, Ibor and myself have been very passionate about football in Meghalaya. And we've always shared our vision on what we want for our kids here. So in the past 1 year, we've worked towards that. And obviously, the success in the NSL gave us an opportunity to represent the state in the third division by virtue being the champions of Meghalaya. History of what we have done in the past 1 year. So in last October, we started our first football school center at Maulai. With close to 80 kids in our first admission batch. And we have close to about 200 kids now, just at the Maulai Center. And we have another center at Mauplang, which we opened in the month of Jan 2023. There we have close to about 150 kids. And we have recently opened up all girls football school center at Pine Mountain, which we have to give appreciation towards the school management, to the teachers for creating a pathway for the girls in their school and for allowing us to be a part of the journey. And in the near future, we are going to open in a few more districts with the vision that these kids who are going to come to our football schools will eventually be representing our club, and hopefully with the pathway that we are going to be providing, with news coming up in the near future of the pathway for our football school kids, where we'll give them a platform so that they'll not only be playing football in Shillong, but an opportunity to play in the rest of the country and maybe abroad, and hopefully it'll create a pathway for them to make football their profession. In the coming months, we are looking forward to opening our first sports performance center at Pintar. The vision of having a sports facility, a performance facility in Shillong is very critical. In order for us to compete with mainland India, I think a performance center is critical. So the vision that we had, I think, came into fruition in the past 6-7 months. I think the general manager Andrew, Ibor, myself, and our previous technical director Hans Imle, and our advisor as well, we had a brainstorm session about how do we bring about change and how do we get our players up to the mark and be ready for competitive football once they go out of the state. So we felt the need for a performance center, and this will be the first performance center probably here in the Northeast, and we are hopeful that it will be a performance center not only for football but other sports as well. With I think I don't have much to say here apart from the main reason why we are here today. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Department of Tourism, Meghalaya. I would like to thank Mr. Paul Lingdo, our Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, and our Director, Mr. Cyril Dingdo. I think I felt that they understood what we wanted and what we wanted to do with regards to sports in the state, and we would like to thank them for accepting our proposal with regards to Meghalaya Tourism being our main sponsor. As you can see in the backdrop here, Meghalaya Tourism is all over the backdrop, and Meghalaya Tourism are the main sponsors for Ramajit United FC in the season 2023-2024. And as you can see, we've also in the past 3-4 months had talks with Puma, which is an international clothing brand which represents sports all over the world and innovation as well. So you can see that Puma has come on board on the same mindset that they also believe in the vision that we have for this club. So we are proud to announce that Puma is our official kit partner for the season 2023-24. And we would also like to announce that BT27 Training Revolution is our fitness partner. Without fitness, without a proper training, I think it is, like I said, we wanted to have the performance center is for that reason. So we were proud to announce that BT27 Training Revolution is our fitness partner. And lastly, I would like to announce that obviously football without the fans, football without coverage is nothing. So we would like to announce that T7 is our media partner, and I'm sure that people would want to know more about a team when they travel to Goa and when they play the matches. I think it's important of being updated.